Some of my favorite videos on the internet are people going absolutely nuts at gas stations and some of the craziest gas station fails I have ever seen during the last year of 2025. Let's check them out here in the new year, 2026. Yeah, what's up everybody? Welcome back into the channel. Gas stations, one of the places we have to go every day to fill up. However, it doesn't always go the way we'd hope, and we see some gas station fails, some funnies, and some downright disrespectful moments. Let's check out a few clips from some of my favorite 2025 gas station fails and gas station what the F moments.
Oh, hell no.
Oh no, this is why the signs say do not leave your vehicle unattended with the gas pouring out of it, because you don't ever know if it will actually shut off and not do this. Not only did you waste a bunch of money from it pumping, you've now ruined the gas station area for people that can't pull up, and hopefully nobody decides to light anything up there and cause a whole other big problem. What an epic fail. Oh my goodness, people. What happens when the gas station is selling you an inferior product like watered down gas? Well, this happens.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you.
It's not fucking
I tell my car, this fuse stuff on my car.
So what happened?
Fuse.
This shit don't make no fucking sense. All these cars did.
Exit, and then we'll take your one sec. Listen to me. We're gonna.
So they had 78% water in the gas, which is wild. There was a news story here in Tampa not that long ago, maybe 2 years ago. My neighbor actually got affected by this, where they accidentally dumped diesel into the regular pumps. They put diesel fuel in where you normally would fill up. So you thought you were filling up with regular gas, and it was actually diesel. It ruined the engines of dozens and dozens of cars that people had to go get replaced. My neighbor drives a Cadillac Escalade ESV, like a big $100,000 SUV, and his entire engine had to be dropped out, a bunch of stuff replaced, flushed, cleaned. It was like $15,000, and the gas station ended up, I think it was 7-Eleven's, had to pay for his entire car repair, but he was out of a car. He got a rental, but he was out of his car for weeks and weeks. I think like a month, maybe 6 weeks. Wild story that happened, but this one had 78% water in the gas. I would lose my mind.
I guess this is the new trend, y'all.
Poor people.
Pull the gas hose around your vehicle. We got 1, 2, and 3 in a row. Is this the opposite side of the gas pump line? 'Cause that's what it looks like. Are y'all doing this out there? Seems to be trending.
So the reason that people are wrapping the gas pump around their car clearly is there was no other spots in line. That was it. And they, for some reason, didn't take the time to turn around. They were just trying to hurry up and get in line because there were so many people. I get it, but at the same time, that's silly. Just turn your car around and line up and wait for gas behind a pump that you're positioned the correct way.
This is not gas.
Yes, it is.
This is diesel.
Right, you ride a motorcycle. Cars take gas, bikes take diesel.
Bro,
What? What?
did you already
What?
put gas in here?
Yeah, you needed it filled up.
Bro,
You wanted gas.
this is not gas.
Yes, it is.
This is diesel.
Right, you ride a motorcycle. Cars take gas, bikes take diesel.
Caitlin, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Do they not?
Oh my god.
Wait, actually?
You don't even understand how bad this is, do you?
Well, just take it out.
just take it out. Just take it out. It's already in the, bro. Oh my god. You literally.
I thought you saw me when I was grabbing the
My bike's
the pump
fucked.
to fill your tank. You
My
didn't
bike
say
is-
anything.
My bike is fucked.
It can't be that bad.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Don't they make like a hose you can just take it out?
I have to drain this whole fuel tank. Where should I do it? Like right here at the gas station?
Yeah, we're at the gas station.
Bro.
No, somebody would be losing their hands. Now, I can confidently tell you that was almost certainly a skit that they set up, and she put it in there. No one pumped any gas. I guarantee it. just the way she was talking and acting, but he was doing a pretty good job. She was not. However, I have seen that exact thing happen to someone, that they put fuel in a diesel truck and diesel in an actual truck. I have watched it on 2 different occasions happen. It is a very, very expensive life lesson. Please be careful if you ever drive anything that's diesel, that you put diesel in it and that you don't go back to your regular vehicles and try to put diesel in those. It is not pretty.
Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck this.
Final Destination level, nope, nope, nope. And I'm not standing there filming this either, because holy nope. When that thing blows up eventually, I don't want any shrapnel pieces of bumper metal flying across and just whoop. Final Destination, people. One of my favorite movie series, but I don't want to be a part of it. She hears all those popping and explosions and booms and just sits and films. I get it. She's at a good distance. I suppose that it's safe, but I just am not trusting. I'm not sticking around and staying. Are you staying there and filming this? Or are you getting the heck out? I'm going behind the Wendy's. I'll be through inside the windows, you know, filming inside the Wendy's, not out on the grass and the concrete close enough where something can fly over and hit me. Nope, no thanks. Call it irrational all you want. Don't care. All right, I've seen some videos where people say it is hard to work at a gas station, to be a gas station clerk, and that it is absolutely mind-numbing, the people that come through. Let me show you some examples, and you might think twice if you ever wanted to get a job working at your local 7-Eleven.
Okay. The food first, is it ABT? Is it the food ABT?
Why would it be EBT for, sir? Because I'm black? I'm my nigga. I got a job.
No, I'm just,
No,
my
sir.
bad.
It's all regular for real money. Real money. I sell drugs. We got money here.
Yeah, I'm just saying, my bad. I
Did
was
you got
just,
these split payments, though?
yeah, that's fine.
Okay, well, my check don't hit till next week. You feel me?
Yeah, that-
Food stamps.
So,
I got drug money. No, I don't. Food stamps ain't hit yet. You was right, bro. Yeah, we got food stamps here. You was right. But don't do it because I'm black.
my bad, man. I didn't mean it that way.
I
No,
think you did because I'm skin of my color. The color of my skin.
my bad. Is that all you need, brother?
Yeah, you was right. Yeah, it's all good. But the 5th, when I come back, different story.
This is gonna be EBT.
It's gonna be EBT all day. All day. I can get something for you. Sammy gave me something for free. You know we like discounts.
Shit.
We've covered it on the channel here several times. People using EBT and food stamps inside gas stations. A lot of folk think that it shouldn't be allowed. A lot of people don't have a problem with it because it's food is food, but you let me know in the comments as always. They belong to each and every one of you. EBT at the gas station, is it a good idea, a bad idea? Kind of funny that he knew right away. Probably a past customer if I had to guess.
Sticker, I'm gonna shoot the pride out you, nigga.
What is it?
My Blackie Mouse that I'm about to get better not have no pride sticker. Or I'm
No.
gonna pride out you.
Nah, man, they don't come with it no more.
Oh, okay. You got lucky then. Let me get a pack of FTs.
FT regular or sweet?
Regular, because I'm a regular.
Okay.
I ain't on that sweet shit. Let me get a pack of straight ups.
Oh, you gotta have a shirt on,
Man,
bro.
get my or I'm gonna get it free.
You gotta have a shirt on. I can't serve you no shirt. Yeah, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna need the
I-
come on, bro. I need a pack of
Yeah,
Rellos,
but
bro.
I can't serve you with no shirt. You got a shirt?
All right,
Hey,
fuck,
hey,
I'm
bro.
gonna-
Hey, no, bro. What is it?
7 cents. I got it.
Yeah, yeah, but you.
That's 9. You said, 10.07.
No, you get $1 off.
Oh, yeah, right. So, I
Yeah.
said I got 7 cents for you. I got
You do?
yeah, man. It's in the car, bro. Like, stop playing, man. Like,
Okay.
this is my damn
But you
car.
never bring it back, don't?
Man, shut up, lying, bro.
I don't know where this guy works as a cash register or cashier at the register for this gas station, but this is some wild video. Real, not otherwise, people acting like this. it's there, it's on camera, and it is the truth. It's what happens in a lot of these communities in these areas, and good on him for, you know, dealing with some of the stuff that he's got to put up with in some of these videos, but not for me. Nope.
Take these hands, dumbass. What the fuck is you talking about?
Hey, hold on. I hit my car, bro.
Put my baby hit my car. All you gotta do is touch this bitch. Put my baby hit it. Put my baby hit it. Put my baby hit it. Hit it. I bet. Put my kids in line for the movie. In line for the movie. In line for the movie. Because if she hit it, it's dead. I'ma drag that right out of her.
Hey, move your car, ready? Damn! She flipped the whole truck.
Yeah! You dumb! You dumbass!
Get that. I ain't even got one, baby. I ain't even got one. Look at her. She just tweet.
What's your dumb ass kick in? You finna say your dumb ass to jail over here. With your black racist. And you almost just hit my mother all my kids in it. Lucky my mother you ain't just hit it, cause I be beating your dumb ass.
What did I just witness here? Oh, she's in some argument at the first spot at the location, and then she just plows through a car out into traffic in anger and then flips the SUV. She hit somebody. I heard her get hit. Oh my God. Guys, take a breath. It's a new year, new you, new people, new things. Don't crash out like that. Ugh, what is going on with people and their emotions? And then she's laughing about it? How do you laugh about crashing twice in 30 seconds? Somebody explain it to me like I'm 5, please. All right, we're gonna wrap up with a clip here of a lady that works at the gas station who's being recorded by what appears to be a Karen of a customer. Let me know who's right here, the Karen that's recording her, the customer, or the cashier who maybe is a little bit too much in her feelings. Whose side are you on in this video? Let's check it out.
I'm where the white Honda is over there, and what I'm gonna do is $25 prepaid, please.
Are you in the middle of that?
The white Honda. Next to...
Looks like you're on number 9. Do you use rewards with us?
No, I do not.
Okay, go ahead and insert at the bottom. And would you like a receipt form?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Oh, let's see here.
Red X to bypass the pin. And you're all set.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So the lady records a regular everyday transaction, and the cashier didn't like being recorded, so she canceled her order there, her gas order. Here's the thing, when you're in public, and I know that's a private business, but when you're in public, you can be recorded. If you don't like it, don't go out in public. However, the gas station can ask her to leave. Perfectly fine, well within their rights to refuse service to anyone. They are welcome to do that. So while you do have the right to film anything you can see in public at any time, regardless of age, race, sex, doesn't matter, size, kids, otherwise, and sometimes it may seem creepy, sometimes it's not, they have the right. Anybody has the right to open that camera up and record, even when they're at a private business, up and until the point they're asked to leave. But as a private business, they have the right to refuse your business and to refuse service to you and do exactly what that cashier just did and cancel your order. So remember, while you have the right, it doesn't mean that they don't have the right to have consequences for you recording when they don't like it. Some people would say that they're snowflakes, that their feelings are hurt, they got to get over it, they're in public. And a lot of times I agree with that. And sometimes there's just no call for it. Why was she recording this girl in the gas station anyways? It doesn't make any sense. There's no positive productivity to it. what was the point of recording and having a snarky little attitude? I'm not mad at the cashier for canceling her order on that one. She probably got her revenge. Best dish best served cold. So the lady's out in the cold without her gas simply because she wanted to record somebody working at the cashier register there in the gas station. Doesn't make any sense to me. I don't get it. Other times I do. This one I don't. Thank you guys. Appreciate you watching so much. Let me know in the comments section, what do you think about some of these clips as I asked them along the way. Appreciate you taking 1 minute to respond and comment and engage with the video. It means a lot to me. Hitting that like button and subscribing to come back watch future videos. As always, I love making them for you, entertaining you. And hopefully 2026, I'll have up some amazing content that you guys will love. Share it out in your social media and go follow me on TikTok. Casey, Rockstarflipper, I'll follow you back. I followed nearly 200 people yesterday, so make sure you go over there and check me out on TikTok. I appreciate that, and I'll see everyone in the next video.